What if I told you that in just 4 weeks you could boost your SAT score by 200 points? Well, at CLBS, we've helped thousands of students achieve top scores, and today I'll be sharing this proven 4-week SAT study plan with you. One of our students, Priya, started at 1280 and hit a 1560 using this exact strategy. Now it's your turn. Let's get started. First, let's understand digital SAT. Before we dive into the study plan, let's quickly break down the new digital SAT 2025 pattern. Well, it's shorter and smarter. The SAT is now 2 hours 14 minutes long. Reading and writing 64 minutes, 2 modules of 32 minutes each. Maths is 70 minutes, 2 modules of 35 minutes each. AI adapted questions. Well, your performance in the first section is going to determine how tough the second section gets. Tools to help you. The test has a built-in calculator for the entire maths section and on-screen annotation tools. CLBS Pro Tip. The digital SAT is all about strategy and time management. Let's build both. Week 1. Build your foundation. Week 1 is all about laying the groundwork. Day 1 to 2. Find out where you stand. Take a full-length official SAT practice test from College Board. Review your mistakes carefully. Are your weak spots in algebra, grammar, reading speed? Please do separate mistakes into knowledge gaps versus careless errors. This is key to improving fast. Day 3 and 4. Master Maths, the basics first. Focus on linear equation, system of linear equation and inequalities. First, solve problems untimed, then gradually increase your speed. Most common mistakes, skipping steps, and also double check your calculation. Day 5 to 6. Reading like a pro. Work on main idea tone and eliminating wrong answer choices quickly. Read the questions before the passage. Now this trick saves tons of time. Start annotating key details for better comprehension. Day 7. Writing and language, grammar hacks. Focus on punctuation, sentence structure and verb tenses. Drill 20 to 25 questions for better clarity. By the end of week 1, you're already feeling more confident. Now let's go deeper. Week 2. Strengthening core skills. Week 2 is all about sharpening your core skills. Day 8 to 9. Math, word problem and data analysis. Master ratios, percentages and interpreting graphs. CLBS Pro Tip. SAT loves tricky wording, underline key terms in word problems. Day 10 to 11. Tackling paired passage in reading. Focus on historical documents and science-based passages. Learn how to compare perspectives and find supporting evidence fast. Day 12 to 13. Writing, sentence improvement and style. Please do work upon word choices, conciseness and transition. Drill 20 to 30 questions for accuracy. Day 14. Full-length practice test. Please do take a timed SAT test to measure progress. Review every mistake and note patterns. At this stage, you should see a noticeable improvement. Let's push further. Week 3. Advanced strategies. Week 3 is where we level up. Day 15 to 16. Maths. Master harder topics. Focus on trigonometry and word problems in geometry. Try using Desmos to find answers faster. Day 17 to 18. Science and history passages. Read faster. Learn to skim and find supporting evidence quickly. Time yourself to increase speed. Day 19 and 20. Writing, advanced grammar rules. Master punctuation, modifiers, vocabulary and tricky transitions. Drill 40 to 50 questions to solidify concept. Day 21. Review weak areas. Please do go back to practice test and focus on the toughest topics and the questions you did not mark correctly then. Week 4. The final push. Week 4 is all about fine-tuning and building confidence. Day 22 to 23. Mixed practice and time management. Solve full-time section from math, reading and writing. Focus on speed and accuracy. Day 24. Full-length mock test. Simulate real exam condition to boost test-taking stamina. Day 25 to 26. Error analysis and cheat sheet. Create a personalized SAT cheat sheet with your most common mistakes. CLBS key grammar rules. CLBS must-know math formulae. Day 27 to 28. Light review and rest. No heavy studying. Just revise notes, relax and build confidence. Also, please don't forget to get 8+ hours of sleep. Brain power matters more than last-minute cramming. Ready to crush the SAT? Let's make it happen. At CLBS, we've helped thousands of students master the SAT with personalized study abroad plan, expert mentorship, and proven strategies. Don't just study harder, study smarter with CLBS. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who's preparing for SAT, and subscribe CLBS for more tips to ace the SAT. Let's make your dream score a reality. See you in the next video.